What's up, everybody? Bag holders. I'm a little distracted. I'm gonna have to watch my time. I got somewhere I got to be. The future generation trumps the current generation. Got to invest in the future. So, market was down. We'll be looking for a flip today. As I look through the notifications, things are starting to slow down. Cigna purchase did fill. So I need to get my spreadsheet corrected. I believe we did that as a flip. I think we did that on stream on the video. ADP also filled. APD. My Listexia kicked in. My little circle didn't make it. Why did you leave me? And you can see that was perfect buy. The thing tanked just as soon as we got in. But that's how it works sometimes. APD, the order filled today, and we got in for 270.15 per share. And I'm happy with it. And we got a hell of a dividend from Pfizer today. So big position, it's paying big dividends. That's what it do. All right. So we currently don't have any commodities. Let's just stick to that process and go through these. So we're looking to get all of these, I think. We have silver. Yeah, so Bitcoin, ETH, gold, it's got close, but no cigar, and silver, which tagged this. So we're holding silver. All good in the hood there. We need to go through here as well and see if there are positions we need to put sell orders in for. I don't believe there are, but let's just take a quick gander, and I'll go as fast as the computer allows. 62, but we've got all this space to this yellow here. I know we've got the resistance here, but I'm hanging on to that one. And the only reason I cut the trades early is because I play in the options market. So having capital available is everything in the options market. Look at that one. Boom. That one's cutting loose. We've got this dividend here, but I believe I'm going to go ahead and put that one in. What's high day? 106.40 for Merck. Somebody's likely to grab that after hours, I would think. Um, doesn't show like we're up real crazy or nothing like that. It's because just like APD we saw, we got in perfect, and then it went against us, right? So uh, they're not all home runs, man. And the thing could run really strong. It looks really good. So uh, we could be really missing out, but that's okay. I got a strategy that I'm okay living with. So that's kind of a big part of it too. Kimberly Clark looks like we're going to lock in that dividend. These that go real slow are actually potential for higher earnings because they don't spike the RSI. So there's ADP, so I don't feel so dumb, but we got a dividend going there. We're looking for a flip. There it is, Cigna. That's the one. What's the closing print? 257.78. I don't care that it's up in the after hours. I do not care. Go with the closing print. Okay, that's done. Now we're just looking for a swing trade, right? And there wasn't much to pick from. We got APD, which is Air Products, and back in the old college days, my run-in with that company was they would fill my CO2 for my kegerator. But they say by companies you use and are familiar with, so it made the list. But welding gases and oxygen and all that stuff, I just can't see people not needing it just to get by. In case anybody's curious, we're not changing the plan if nothing shows up. So it is what it is. And if you looked at the public video and you're like, well, why didn't you buy all them oil stocks? Well, we're a little low on cash flow because I went heavy on the options side. Um, but I'll make more money doing the options, so we'll do that. But um, I still have a commitment to myself to continue to do this, even if it's on a smaller level. Starbucks might give us a heck of an opportunity. And you can see this huge gap here. It's likely to fill. We're in the gap. And then that could be a nice, tasty trade. I still don't understand why y'all go there, but a lot of people go there. I don't get it. But I'm glad you do. Don't change a thing. And if the computer wasn't so laggy, I could get through these a lot faster. But a few minutes a day, staying consistent, and if nothing else, what you focus on grows. So just the fact that you're looking at stocks every day it will creep in your mind when you're not looking at them, and you'll just always know what the price of chicken breast is. So when it's high, you'll know, and when it's on sale, you'll know that's a good price. You know, you didn't get that way the first time you went to the grocery store, but you go to the grocery store, and every time you look to see what chicken breast is, well, after a few weeks, you kind of know what the market is, right? It's very much the same way. And you see the market hit the 70 and is supposed to be rolling over, but we don't know what'll happen. So a lot of stocks look exactly that same way. But you get laggards and leaders, but you also have equities that run against the market. So if the market really is overextended up, there should be stocks that are overextended down, like these. Here's your oil. And that's why I love my universe. I got a little bit of everything. I'm not seeing a lot, gang. It's not seeing much. Look like in about a week or so, we'll either end up with the oil play or Starbucks. That's what it looks like. That's it. So we got a little bit of movement today on a down day. Nothing crazy though. Um, and we stay consistent, stay after it. So it's Tuesday. I'm going to volunteer with the youth. So make sure that you're investing in people. Those are the best investment. We're all in this together. And I really do think that we're headed for a time of hardship. And I'm really pushing hard. So uh, join in, man. Tough times make tough people. So it's time to get tough. So hopefully this will help you out with the inflation thing because that thing's happening whether you want it to or not. And if you got questions, reach out. Have an awesome evening. Peace.